So we're going to be winding a bobbin today, and I'm going to show you how I do that for my machine. My machine uses a bobbin number 15 is what my machine uses, and your machine could use a different type of bobbin. And I have this bobbin here to show you because it's a completely different type of bobbin from the one that my machine uses. And this was just like a spare item from some thread I bought on Amazon, and so they sent this bobbin with some thread on it. But this is not, I can't use this because this is not what my machine uses. And you can see I have like different types, different colors of thread. And I have at least, man, I can't count number of bobbins I have because I use, you use different colors of thread, with different projects a lot. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this, okay? So keep watching. Again, I use the Quantum Stylist 9960, and I'm going to show you how to wind your bobbin with this machine, okay? And for everybody's machine is different, so check your manual or, search on YouTube for how to wind the bobbin for your own machine. Now, this is how I do it for my type of machine. Again, I use the Bobbin 15 type, okay? So this is a spool holder, and we're just going to insert our thread. You want to insert your thread with the string coming from under, like so. This is the better way. So I've been taught. So you insert that, and then I have a cover that I put over it here, just to keep it in place, like so. Okay, and then my machine tells me what direction it's supposed to go. So you see one, it has arrows, and this is two right here, and this is 3 and 4. So you see the bobbin sign, that tells you the bobbin sign, how to go. And the manual gives directions as well. And so we have to go, this is a thread guide 1, so you go under here, and then you go around this metal right here. This is another thread guide number 2, and this is a bobbin thread guide as well. That's what it's called, this metal plate right here. And so the thread goes under this handle first. It has to go under that, like so. See that? Like so. And then I like to hold the thread from, if not, it just keep unraveling. And then, around this metal plate right here, this one, it has to go around it like so. Make sure that's firm, like so. Okay, see how that goes? Okay, and number 4 tells you have to insert the thread through the top hole. Now, my bobbin only has one hole on each side, so it doesn't matter what way you turn it or flip it, the hole is always at the top. This looks like a hole, but it's not. Okay, it's not a hole. See this other side? There's always a hole at the top. There's only a hole at the top. So you insert your thread through the bobbin like so. And then this is a bobbin winder shaft. This is a bobbin winder stop. So it helps when the bobbin is full, this will stop, the process automatically if you have that type of machine. So you just put it down, bobbin winder shaft, and then you push it closer to the bobbin winder stop, okay? And it's ready to be used. Now I have an automatic start and stop button. That's what I'm using. I'm not using my foot controller today. So let's get started. And I just hold it and watch it go for a little bit. And then I stop it when I see that, I have like a good amount there. I stop that and I keep winding. I'm not going to wait for the bobbin to wind to the end so we can keep this video short. I'm going to go ahead and stop it, okay? All right. Okay, so that's the end of that. And then, you know, you just open that back up and you take the thread out. You credit. You have to credit. You credit at this point, and then, you know, you free your thread from that, you know, to be able to thread your machine. And you pull this off, okay? So this is ready to be used. This is what it looks like when it's done. Okay, now let's go on to threading the machine.